Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these snowflake ornaments I got from Dollar Tree as well as a wood round from Hobby Lobby. I fill in the holes of the snowflakes with some light spackling. Make sure those are dry. I had given them a quick sanding after they were dry and then painted them entirely with plaster color chalk paint by Waverly. I then take this extreme glitter in the color hologram and coat both sides of that with a layer of the glitter. I then take 3 bamboo skewers, those I got from Dollar Tree as well. I paint those with the same plaster color. I then take the 5-inch wood round and mark off where I need to make holes in it. I then take a eye hook and I'm just screwing that in to those 3 markings. This is a good trick if you don't want to use a drill. So that gets the hole started, and then I just use a larger screw and put that in each of those holes and then remove it. It just makes the holes a little bit bigger and wider for the skewers to fit into. I then cover the entire plaque with Dusk color chalk paint that's also by Waverly. And then I'm taking this paintbrush. It's a nail acrylic brush that I got from Amazon. It has a little stylus on the end. And I just make polka dots with the plaster color all the way around. I then line up the snowflakes on the skewers to see how I need to cut them, using my Fisker shears to cut those down. I do touch up the paint on the top of the skewer where I had cut it, but I just don't show that. And then hot glue each of the skewers to the back side of the snowflake. I add a small dot of hot glue onto the pointy end, which is going to be the bottom of them, and place that in each of the holes. And at first I had set it up wrong where I had the placement for the holes and how the snowflakes would go. So before the glue set, I just gave them a little twist so they were in the right position. Made sure all 3 of those were glued in. And then I made 3 silver bows and hot glued 1 to each right below the snowflake. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.